So because I dedicated this whole video to Doja and her collab with BH Cosmetics, just putting this out there, Doja, if you ever see this video, please, I will be at ACL October 8th, 9th, and 10th. So if you would love to meet me, let me know. I'll give you this pass this one time, okay? Just saying. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this video. So before we get started, I just want to let you know that I am so excited for this video. We are gonna do the Doja Cat and BH Cosmetics collaboration. I got the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, the gloss, and the sauce, then some mascara and eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open everything up. We're of course gonna dive into the shadow first, cause baby, it's beautiful. So really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead, open everything up. So this is the Doja Cat Muse lip gloss, plumping lip gloss in nude. Okay, this is what it looks like. Very fresh, cute. Looks like the bullet. I know I shouldn't have. Then I also got the Doja Cat Goddess white calligraphy eyeliner. So we're gonna get creative today. No excuses for me. This is what it looks like. Then the Doja Cat blooming mascara. Honestly, I don't know if it could be my favorite, but we're gonna see. Then we got the Doja Cat Prism highlighter in rose gold. I didn't get the blushes because I don't care for blushes. This is it, precious. And then the Doja Cat Mega eyeshadow palette, 36 shades. Oh my God, these colors are so pretty and fun, and I'm so boring. I'm already drawing to the pastel blue. Like this blue is stunning right here, and these purples, like they're just like, just kind of already drawing into that purple again. It is creamy, but it does feel a little bit dry. I mean, that they are swatching pretty nicely. So this was Cosmo, this is Jasmine. We're gonna do Empower. This is what I would like to call random selection. Ooh. Ooh, that one's creamy. This is Transform. Like, that's pretty legit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna list the prices down below, but all of that costed me, with the discount, approximately $80. What I'm gonna do a cut crease look. Okay, so it's been a hot minute since I've done a cut crease, so just bear with me, everyone. I'm gonna put Divine all over my lid. Right now I am dipping into that Jasmine. I'm gonna start building out that cut crease. This is gonna be so exotic, guys, but I'm doing this all for you. Cosmo. I'm gonna start blending this out. I'm going into Shelter. Just adding a little pizzazz. That purple shimmer Shelter definitely pulled through, guys. Now on this side, I'm gonna do like a turquoisey color. It's gonna be starting off with Wild as we build our foundation. I'm doing this like cut crease color, white shit, because let's be real, Doja Cat loves her fantasy sci-fi shit. So I'm like, all right, we'll see what this is all about. Next, I'm dipping into moss and I'm blending this baby out. Oh my God, these are Barney colors. Actually, these are the same colors she had in her music video, Kiss Me More. And lastly, I'm gonna dip into Empower, which I really think is gonna tie it all together. I feel like a weird alien-esque. So that is the top of the cut crease. Should I do anything on the bottom? On the bottom, I'm actually gonna do white because she has this really pretty white, which I wanna test out actually. It's called Feline, and I really wanna like white out the bottom of my eye. So let's see how this swatches. All right, here we go. We'll give her another chance. Okay, that's not bad at all. We're gonna see how she likes to play. I'm gonna smoke out the bottom of my eyes and just make them completely white. Okay, now let's whip out that eyeliner. Jesus, take the... Okay, guys. Okay, this is the white eyeliner next to the shadow. It does not look pure white, it looks watered down, so that's gonna be an issue. We're gonna do the eyeliner, so just bear with me. Whoa! I'm gonna put some mascara on. Oh my God, I look like Doja Cat. And then she does some shit like, let me see. She'll be like this. She'll be like, actually, I'm gonna just say fuck it and get into the gloss. I know I should be doing mascara, but I don't feel like it. I'm gonna do the gloss real quick. I feel like you can't really mess up gloss, guys. I feel like Ariana Grande with these lips, where she's always like, it's like, bish. I feel so like I look like a maniac right now. Okay, guys, so I got it opened. Let me sift some into the lid. Okay, I'm gonna touch this. Oh, shit. That is beautiful. I mean, dude, this is stunning. I'm excited for this. Ooh, ooh. Okay, guys, last but not least, the mascara. And it's like a weird ball tip, so I'm not sure what this is, but we're gonna try it out. I feel like this was an emotional roller coaster. I am still processing how I feel about it all. I'm actually not mad at this look, but it was a pain in the ass. As a first impressions, let's talk through it. Okay, so what do I feel about the palette? The palette is meh. Would I buy it again? No. You can get better quality in regards to shades from other drugstore friendly brands. So yeah, the color scheme was cute. They looked fun. They were hard to blend. At times they did pull patchy, and so it was difficult to blend. It pulled patchy at times. It just took a lot more longer to work in the shadows than I typically would like. The pigment was meh. It swatched all right. It wasn't like, holy shit. But you can definitely tell the quality of the pigment when you did apply it and you tried blending it out. As you can see, when I first started off with the cut crease in the two colors, which was Jasmine and Wild, I did have to dip in multiple times to build out that foundation, build up that color, that line, so it was strong. And from there on, I had to blend it out and so on and so forth. So the shadow, I was not impressed by it. I would not recommend it. Then we went in with the white liner. Right now, it looks cute from a distance. Now zooming you in, you can see the quality and how it's non-existent. It's like pulling patchy, and then it's like clumpy, and then the tip of it, when it would get too dry, it had this like dried paint latex effect, if you know what I'm talking about. Like if you've ever painted walls and like the rim of the paint bucket is just started to like halfway dry, halfway still wet, and you pull it and it's almost like a string you can pull off. I almost gagged. No, thank you. And as you can see on my hand, these are the swatches. It looks like a milky, diluted white, not like a like white where I'm like, one and done, baby. You put me where you want me and I got it for you. Like I have you covered. So the white liner, no, I would not recommend it. Honestly, I think the white eyeliner was shit. So don't even think about it. Just go to, what's her name? I think it's Danessa Myricks. She's good. And I'll have to look and find some other white liners that you need down below. Also, I'm also pissed that she came out with all this white shit. She always does this like extravagant, exotic white looks, but she didn't have white mascara. What the fuck? Which leads me to the mascara. You can look at it. It's like little spidery little legs on my lashes. I have way more lashes than this, and I feel like it just kind of clumped them and elongated them. Cool for maybe the bottom lashes it would work, but again, it's shit. Don't think about it. I don't even want to see how long this will last because I just can't wait to wash off my face. My Barney looking face. And then lastly, lip gloss. So last two items are the lip gloss and the highlighter. The highlighter, stunning. I mean, look at that. It is just so beautiful, very pigmented. It's not glittery, it's shimmery, and it just looks so wet, sexy, and dewy. I could totally see myself just dousing my shoulders, my collarbone, like in between my boobies to make them look a little more voluptuous, like on my legs, mixing it with my lotion because it is loose powder, and it will just look spectacular. Like I love the loose glitter highlighter. Like it is stunning. That I would pay. And then lastly, it was the lip gloss. Lip gloss, it gives a little bit of a tingle. The colors are like meh, but I am meh, so I don't care. And the lip gloss is cute. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. There was a little bit of tingling. I don't think it really gave you my, like, never really gave me like those DSLs that you're like, ooh, Kylie Jenner, is that you? But it did give it, like, you know, a little bit extra oomph, brought some color to my lips. So that's fun. And it does have like a little gold sheen or glimmer to it because they just look extra glossy. Like, let's put it that way. So that, I'm like, okay, I can get down with that. Outside of that, that's everything that I had for this video. What I suggest to purchase, what I would not suggest to purchase. Oh my goodness, that being said, this is all I had for today's video. Let me know what you think. What else have you tried from her collection? Did you try her shadows? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Did this white liner kind of crap out on you too midway through like it did to me? Let me know. Thank you for watching my channel. Again, my name is Monia. Please subscribe, and until the next one, bye. I could be fuck you so good, and I could be Cody fucking sugar. I ain't no gummy dummy, but I could be what if we could kiss and just touch the public. Baby, the public. I ain't giving you one in public. I'm giving you hundreds, fuck it. Am I Doja Cat? I mean, with the shit, yeah, you'd be like, this bitch is crazy.